Good day, ma'am, and to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Zaini Solis from Tacorong City, Sultan Kudarat. I'm 40 years old and I'm happy married and blessed with one daughter aged 12 years old. My highest education attainment is high school graduate and my hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and singing. I work as a housemaid in Malaysia for 8 years and I serve 3 members of their family including one son aged 12 years old. My duties are taking care of kids, preparing cooking meals, washing dishes, doing laundry, cleaning the house. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to earn savings for my daughter. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm a hardworking woman and I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking for work with you as soon as possible.